That was a little humor. That's actually my bicycle. I wasn't stealing somebody's bike. Anyway, I picked this up at Home Depot today. It's a Cordless Ratchet 12 volt lithium ion battery. It has the cells are built into the tool, so you get a charger and you charge it right on the tool. I imagine if the batteries wear out, you could take it apart and put new batteries in it. It has a lockout switch, lockout button. You can't deploy it until you push that up. You push the switch partially and you get a light, get the battery indicator. It's a 1.8 amp hour battery, which for me would last plenty long. It's variable speed. And just like a hand ratchet, you have a reverse and forward. It's a 3/8 inch drive. Socket's going very positive. Nice and snug. That's not going to fall off. Some people in reviews said they needed a screwdriver to get the sockets off, but I don't find that at all. The purpose of it isn't for torque to snap bolts off. It's just to speed them on and off. You use it as a manual ratchet to loosen it, and then you zip them off. I think it's pretty compact, narrow. Looks to be about 12 inches. You have a ruler here. Oh no, 10.5 inches. It's pretty compact. It's comfortable in my hand, and I get enough leverage on it. So, well, that's about it. Metal shell. And I think it's plastic cooling fins inside. Yeah, plastic cooling fin, which is fine. So the only thing I don't know is the durability of it. No, as time goes on, if I have any issues with it, I'll make an updated review. So I saw this, and the sale price from a YouTuber called 65 Ford. You spell out the word 65 and Ford. And he does a review on 3 different ones. This was the least expensive. But my price point is about $60. If this was $80 or more, and most all of them are, then it wouldn't be worth getting it. I just use hand tools. But for $59.97 plus tax, it's a really useful and nice tool to have. So I don't know how long that price is going to last. So that's why I'm putting this review out here now. And there you have it. Let's see if it could break a lug nut off. Undo lug nut. You'd never do this in reality with this tool, but did it without the tool breaking. course, you got to use it manually to loosen. I got to get my torque wrench now. Try another one. Still works.